you trying to implement SMS marketing into your website, into your business? It's quite a hard feeling, right? I'm about to show you how you can make it super easy with a program called Omnisend. Now, SMS marketing is one of the most direct ways of making sales. So let's get straight in. Omnisend is where everybody's going right now for the SMS market training. Now you can see it's actually a revenue growth here, right? An easy to use platform for e-commerce, email, and SMS automation. We want to concentrate on the SMS automation today. So it gives you personalized omni-channel messaging, all right? Automated text, email, push notifications into a single automated workflow, providing your customers with a consistent personalized experience. The automations library has built pre-workout flows, all right? It's an abandonment, birthday order, or shipping and confirmation automation, so you can get these up to running with only a few clicks. As you can see here, all right? We've noticed you had an eye on this, and then bang, SMS going. Now, it's hassle-free setup, limited use cases, okay, fully integrated channel that you can choose to seamlessly include your automation for special. One-off campaigns, think flash sales, hot selling, things like that. As you can see, Black Friday special, text message. I know that sometimes I'm looking at things and I think, God, I wish I had that, and then I forget about it. I wish someone would text me and say, you didn't get this, okay? Here's from Rob Lynn, the CEO of Devartrus, all right? At this point, I can't imagine a world where SMS market is really taking off. The subscribers are growing much faster than email subscribers over the first year. Campaigns drove 123,000 plus in sales. You can read the whole story by just clicking that button there, okay? But it's simple and transparent. That's what this is, all right? You get the SMS, it prices by your country, and you can send it out and use it to the value that you need to use it. Now, there's no right way to do it. There's many ways that they show you on here, all right? List building tools, doing it for global reach, okay? Automation campaigns. There's no real way. Every single SMS way will work. As soon as the text message goes through, someone's going to read it. That's what we do as humans. All right. So no way is a wrong way. And one of the most important things that we do is most humans, and it's done on a study, read a message within 3 minutes. That means you can send a time sensitive thing saying in the next 5 minutes, if you get this product, something like that, because you know they're reading it in 3 minutes averaged. All right. So time sensitive is key. Emails, people might not read emails for weeks. So that's why SMS is absolutely blowing up in the sales position. Okay, you've got the pre-built, the SMS campaigns, the list building tools, full TCPA compliance, two-way messaging, and the channel reports as well. A global audience is key. Like email marketing, you can message anyone in the world. Okay, you can actually change the different codes here and have it set up so you can send them. Now imagine somebody in a complete different part of the world to you that checks their messages every day, is addicted to their phone. They've been looking for a brand new t-shirt this whole time, and guess what? You own a t-shirt factory, and you send a text saying in 5 minutes, this is going to go off offer, but right now, you can get it for 20% of the price. They read that message, they're straight in. If you send it as an email, they might not read that until next year. And that's just being a fact, okay? So that's the power with SMS marketing. Now guys, with the pricing of this, as always, going through the link down below, you're gonna get the best prices on it. Please have a look at this. You can start for free just by starting the free trial and getting a demo up at the top here. $16 a month for the standard, $59 a month for email and S. I'm not gonna go too much into the pricing because we're doing other videos, but please, that link down below is going to get you the deal of the century for you. This is the best deal online, so hit that link down below. Guys, thank you so much for supporting the channel. As always, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I will see you next time.